Hello, future programmers. So today I am uploading a video, making a video on a topic number plate detection. So I have chosen this topic because somebody requested me on my email address that please make a video on number plate detection. So let me just, so this is why I have make a code on number plate detection and making a video on it. So we can see that for number plate detection, we have to import CV2. You have to install it if you have not installed it using pip install OpenCV. Since I am making a code on Google Collaboratory, so in Google Collaboratory, cv2.imshow function is disabled. So we have to import cv2 underscore imshow function from google.collab.patches. Then I'm importing the numpy function. Okay, then I am downloading one image from the internet, car.jpg. You can download any any image from the internet. I have downloaded this image, and let me show you. I've downloaded this image, okay, and I'm reading this image and storing it in image variable. Then I'm showing this image. Then I'm converting the image to the grayscale. Then I'm applying a Gaussian blur function to the image. Then I am thresholding the image to isolate the license plate. Then I'm founding the contours in the image. After that, there's a loop over the contours. Then I'm checking if the contour is the license plate. Then I'm drawing a rectangular around the license plate and detecting it. Okay, so let's just run this program. So we are running it. So you can see that first, and I'm also showing the image at the end if it is detecting. So you can see that first is the original image which we are showing, and the in the last we have, you can see this green, it is detecting the number plate. We have detected the number plate and we got the result. So you can download, you can try this code on your images which you will download from the internet, and you can detect the number plates. So I hope you find this video useful, and I hope, Gaurav, you got your doubts clear and you find this video useful. If you guys find it useful, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.